Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to get satellite view of your house in Google Earth. If you want to get a satellite view of your house in Google Earth, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open Google Earth app, and here you have an option of Explore Earth. Here's that, just tap on it, and here you can scroll it to find your house, but it's too much time consuming. So let's see how can you do it. You just have to enable your phone's location. Just enable location, and after enabling the location you have an option of this. You just have to tap on it and then allow Google Earth app to access your location, and after that it will find your location or your house on Google Earth. So that's how you can use your location to get a satellite view of your house in Google Earth. You can zoom in and zoom out. So that's how you can view your own satellite location on Google Earth. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.